Oh, that easy? It's unbelievable.
Very easy, and this is... So this is the 12.5 inch squared subwoofer. It looks, look at the membrane.
It's from foam.
Hello guys, welcome back on AudioTribe YouTube channel. In this video, we are gonna make a full teardown of the Sony ULT Tower10. But first, let's turn it on. This is a fully working speaker. It costs $800 to $900 depending on the period of the year. So we will see the drivers, the 12.5 inch squared subwoofer, the tweeters, and everything that we have inside of this speaker. So let's see how it will be, because this is the first Sony teardown.
Hi guys, let's start it.
So if you will see on the AudioTribe YouTube channel, you will see that we made the full teardown of the JBL Party Box Ultimate, of the JBL Party Box 720, of the JBL Party Box 520, of the JBL Party Box 1000, of the JBL Party Box 320. But this is a new speaker. This is something new for us, and we didn't see any videos on the internet to show us what's the first step. So in this video we will see how to make a full disassemble of this video. Of course, we see here that we have some hidden screws even on the back, but not that many. And I am very curious because many of you tell me that Sony, it has the best sound. I can definitely tell you that Sony has a very good sound, but in my opinion, yes, we have some hidden screws, but in my opinion, the construction of the JBL speakers, it is a little bit better. Of course, the Sony speaker, we can see that it's full from plastic. We don't see a wooden frame, but the JBL Party Box speakers have wooden frame. So they are built on top of a wooden box. That's why the sound that comes from the JBL, it is so good.
We got some screw covers. They are from rubber.
This speaker costs between $800 and $900. It comes with a microphone. We don't see any screws hidden here.
Not yet. We will see while we will open it, whatever it holds.
And probably it will be easy to make the teardown. This speaker has one 12.5 inch woofers, two mid-range speakers, and 4 tweeters for an omnidirectional sound. Of course, we see here that it has another 2 screws, and that's about it. Probably here are some other screws. And let's see on the front. As you see, this is a very big speaker. It is even taller than the JBL Party Box Ultimate.
Under the handle I can see we have some other screws. I don't think we can take them down before we take this top case, but let's see what's here first. Maybe we find a solution to take them down.
And of course, we will try to make a full teardown to see everything: the drivers, the main board, the power source, the everything.
And of course to make it work again after we finish.
And of course we want to reassemble, because we don't want to damage the speakers that we made teardown. That's why I asked to become members on AudioTribe YouTube channel, because the membership help us a lot. It costs only $2 a month, and the membership help us a lot. So I am very curious how this speaker will look. We see here the 2 mid-range speaker, but we want to hold it in the hand to see very clearly how good they are. And of course we have two side screws here. This is the location where you put the microphone, because I already told you that this speaker comes with one wireless microphone. Look at it, it is huge.
We have some in the back.
Yes, we have two here, and two here. We will take them all out.
This one doesn't look good from the factory, so the quality check should check better. I will take a
screwdriver.
Manual screwdriver because I really want to take it out. Looks very bad. I hope the speaker is not the same inside.
This looks very strange.
They are not even the same, you see?
Of course, we are gonna talk about the build quality afterward. We will make the full teardown.
Oh, that easy? It's unbelievable.
Easy, and this is
It's still alright.
it's glue.
It's glue.
Okay. So it has some clips.
Okay, we have some glue here for the cables. We need to take it out first, not to break the cables. It's not that hard. This is the first connector. It was too easy.
It was very easy, yes. So what we have here, we have a big fan. And this is the motherboard, and this is the power source board.
Yes, and this is the power supply and the
They are
amplifier.
much
Smaller
smaller than the JBL Party Box Ultimate speaker.
and very simply.
Yes. This is okay.
So easy to reach the tweeters.
Yes.
Nice.
So
Very
till
nice.
now it works. The teardown, it is much simpler than the JBL Party Box speakers. Of course, if you saw the JBL Party Box One Ultimate teardown, you will see that the cooling of the main board, So how did you take it
I
apart?
just pull it through the to top,
Okay.
and it goes out very easy.
Perfect.
And we have lots of screws here.
Yeah.
Let's put this apart and move
As
on.
I already told you, the cooling of the main board on JBL Party Box Ultimate, it is through the base port.
It's passive. It's using the airflow from the base port, and it's just cooling the amplifier.
So the subwoofer works, and when it works, it moves the air. That's how the JBL Party Box Ultimate cools down.
Okay, let's see here in the back whatever we have with screws. I can see 3 of them. I don't think they are just 3, but maybe I'm wrong.
And as you see here, it is built on a wooden frame. You see there? You see that it has a wooden frame in this position, but not as big as the JBL Party Box Ultimate. The JBL Party Box Ultimate was made from MDF or directly wood, while this is it is not that. We will see when we will get there.
Because I see just 3 screws. I will just use the screwdriver not to take too short. So for the bottom part we have these 3 screws. Probably this one is just for the bottom part. We must flip the speaker over to do the same on the other side. Let's put aside the screws and flip it over.
So let me see how easy it is to remove this.
Maybe it has something, antenna or something. It's better to be careful.
Just pull it
Yes.
up and then it will pop out.
Yes.
And we have one screw here. Till now all the screws are the same, but the quality of the screws are not that not that good.
I don't want to force it.
I think it will come out without this.
Probably yes.
think.
Or we have some other screws under this rubber protection. Yes.
Yes, we have 2 here and probably 2 on each protection. So till now, compared to the JBL Party Box Ultimate Teardown, because this is the direct competitor of the JBL Party Box Ultimate, it was much easier, no?
Yes.
It was easier. Probably we hope that this will be the same till the end. But of course it looks easier, but we will see. On the JBL Party Box Ultimate we needed to remove the wheel. Okay. We don't know what we will find here, and that's why we will take it slowly, because we don't want to damage anything. So only pull down and it will pop out.
And you must just take out the wheels
The
from
wheels, yeah. You need to.
this spot. From what do I see, we don't have all the screws same size. We have some smaller also.
Yes.
And the smaller one are from the bottom. This one that goes in plastic.
Okay, let's continue with the teardown.
So let's try to remove this big part from the wheels.
This big plastic part.
This plastic part. We have some screws here in wood, and I will flip it over to see whatever it's there. And I will remove also all the screws from the bottom in order to loosen up the speaker and not to forget about them.
Watch if you can remove this connector.
I don't know from where it's coming, but no, I cannot remove it at this point.
Okay.
Or maybe yes. There is a way like me to...
Probably this is the connector for this LED
Lights.
bar. Yes.
Okay, job done. Simple connector, nothing special. I will flip the speaker
Watch out not to
see whatever
it holds it.
we have.
So we see here that it has these clips.
Yes, but I don't know why this part doesn't go out. Probably after we remove this back panel.
We have just 2 clips.
Okay, let's try to remove
the panel.
all the screws not to
Okay,
destroy
but
something.
watch this. You cannot remove this panel till you get rid of this.
Yes, but as you see, this finish from the wood, it goes under this plastic. You see?
Okay, let's see.
And I don't want to break something here. Let's watch carefully.
We have 2 screws here.
Yes, but I don't think they matter. I don't know what these 2 screws are holding. Oh, now I understand. Probably here we have some other screws inside of this. I guess. I don't see. I need more light.
Wait. Yes, there are some screws, small screws.
Oh, something is moving.
Yes.
Okay.
Careful. You can leave it like this for not change the screw position. Okay, another one down.
Okay. Oh, and now it's that easy?
I think there are that clips there.
No, just that's it. Come on.
Okay, what we have there?
Many pieces. I hope
Many
we
pieces. It
we
will be
managed to
much
put them
harder to
back.
put it back. Let's see the light bar. Okay, so that's about it. It is till now it is easier,
Okay, no more other screws here.
but it looks much cheaper. No,
Yes.
this part.
No, we must take down this side part, and after that we can do something else. I will remove this.
Why?
Because it holds.
It holds what? Nothing. No, just leave it there.
I'm
It is for the
checking-
vibrations of the lateral cover.
Okay, maybe there are 2 parts and it's better to check not to break.
Yeah. So this part comes with. It is a big part.
Let's roll it over and do the same here. Maybe something is falling from here. I don't want to lose some parts while we are moving.
Yes, it is built
Easier.
different from the Ultimate.
Okay. Now let's move here to the electronic, because I want to take this metallic part out, and of course all these cables to go out, not to break something while we are taking the electronic out. What do you say?
I say that the cable management, it was much better on the JBL Party Box Ultimate than on the Sony ULT Tower10. I don't want to say that this is not a good speaker. I want to say only that we already made the full teardown of the JBL Party Box Ultimate, and it was built better in our opinion.
Much more careful and with some other quality, I would say.
Lots of cables.
Okay. I don't see like the
Okay,
cables
so
to be the
therefore,
same, so
yeah.
it doesn't matter, because we cannot switch them.
Okay. Remove this connector from there. It's only glued.
Oh, it's not glued. We have some clips here, 2 of them, but I will take down the cable because no, it's glued.
No, better to leave it.
Okay, I don't know if under the boards. We have some other.
But we can look from here and we don't see any. Look from above.
Okay, this connects the motherboard from power supply. Okay, let's take down the screws and we will have the electronic apart, not to deteriorate something.
And we have another one here.
Hold a hand on it not to fall.
And I see here. Okay.
Wow.
So it goes out real easy.
Okay, I will put it aside and we will check it later.
Okay, but let me see it first. So it is branded with Sony. This is the main board. And this is the power source. Of course, branded with Sony. Sony only. You see there the model XVA500, and this is the QR code for the spare part. Okay, let's see further. Probably it will go into pieces.
We have some clips, so I don't know how easy it will be because we must release many clips in the same time, but it's not that hard.
I see here that it has this, and I think this is a screw.
No,
You
it's not
see-
a screw.
No?
I already checked.
Okay.
But whatever we need to do is to remove the cables from this part, from front to back, in order not to break them while we are moving the parts. Okay.
It has 4 tweeters, 2 mid-range speakers, and one 12.5-inch woofer. Yeah.
Okay, I removed these cables which were from the front.
I saw that this already moves. This
just
plastic
this small
part.
plastic.
Yes.
Let's put it on the front in order to remove just that.
So the main board
Had also
had
those
the-
connectors.
Yes. It looks interesting. We have here 2 tweeters.
The back tweeters are out.
Okay, let's remove the tweeters.
I don't think now. Let's just
Okay,
strip all the speaker, and after that we will take out whatever we desire.
yes, the construction is built different. It is built way different. I don't want to say that this is not a good construction, but I only want to say that this is different. And this is the wooden frame.
Yes,
It is like this, the wooden.
yes.
Okay.
The shape it's round.
It looks good, but In my opinion, the wooden frame from the JBL Party Box Ultimate looked premium, no?
Yes, this is just PAL and we had MDF there.
And look at it is not that big.
We have some other 2 screws here.
Oh, you need a very long screwdriver to get there.
It's good that we have it.
So from here through here, no?
Yes.
So if you don't have a long screwdriver, you cannot make this. We have 2 screws there?
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully
This was the screw.
one of them, yes. From here it's already loosened up. Come on, it's glued or what? I don't know. Let's take down one of the speakers to see if we have some other surprise under the speakers, you know? Because I don't... it's a bit glued.
So you need to wobble it. Of course, we don't want to force it because when you force, probably some will break. That's why we want to take it slowly and carefully.
Okay. So let's not lose the screws.
These are the mid-range speakers. I don't know. Let's go further.
I will loosen up this cable because I want to take down the wood from this plastic, but I will roll it over because the wood is harder, heavier, and it's better to just move the plastic, not the wood. Okay. Any other screws here? No. I will try to push. Okay.
Okay.
But I will push a bit from the back also, just to be sure that. Okay. Oh,
So it's just a little bit of glue.
Ta-da!
The big 12.5 inch woofer, and this is the front
Plastic.
front panel. This is it. Okay, and this is the woofer. It looks different. Look at the shape. So this is the 12.5 inch squared subwoofer. Look at the membrane.
It's from foam.
Yeah. What can I say?
Let's
For
take it up.
$900, you will see. We will put everything on the table to see what we get for $900. Yes, it is one advantage that the teardown was very good. Was very quickly. We
Without
probably
any damage.
Yes, probably it took 40 minutes to get here, and this was very good compared to the JBL Party Box Ultimate that was much harder to make the teardown. Now let's see the subwoofer. Oh, this is crazy big.
Okay. It has a very big magnet.
It has a very big magnet to move this membrane because it is a 12.5 inch subwoofer. It is very big compared to the 9 inch subwoofers that the JBL Party Box 1000 has. This is much.
Something is written here.
Where? Okay, so this is the writing. Okay, and what we have inside of the box, of the wooden box?
Take a peek.
Okay, nothing.
Not even some wool or something?
No wool, no nothing.
Interesting.
And the base port are only this. You see them?
Yeah. But wait, we can take them out. That's it?
Yes.
Wow.
Let's see the mid-range speakers, the tweeters, and to put them all inside on the table to make to see how this speaker looks piece by piece. It was not hard to make this teardown.
Okay, let's.
And it looks much cheaper than the JBL Party Box Ultimate.
What do you want to see
cheaper.
first? Tweeters?
Tweeters, mid-range speakers.
Okay, for the tweeters we have here some screws. It's very easy to press them, to break them, you see?
Yes, the plastic, it is not that that premium as the JBL Party Box Ultimate. And of course we compared it with the JBL Party Box Ultimate because this is the direct competitor and they cost almost the same. I find the JBL Party Box Ultimate on $1,100. This is $900 and it comes with a microphone, but come on, for $900 you get only this. What's wrong with the tweeter?
I don't know what's holding the tweeter to the plastic, but I can
Another one down.
I can take all the screws down. Okay. I want to see the driver now, but I think it's glued or something because it doesn't go out.
Okay, it's glued. We will not unglue it, but it looks like a small JBL Party Box 710 driver, but a lot smaller.
This is from the back, you know.
Yeah, but probably all four are the same.
I will not remove the screws from the speaker then, because if we unglue it, we may break it, and I don't know.
No, leave it like this.
Okay.
And now let's see the other drivers.
Nothing else here interesting.
Only plastic. Only plastic. I thought that the Sony ULT Tower10 was built better, but
Mid-range speaker. They may be also glued, but I will take down the screws to see if I'm right. It was glue, but not that hard. You want the other one?
yes, I want everything. Let's put them here. And let's see the other two tweeters.
I don't think it's possible because since they are glued,
Oh, so they are glued.
Oh, okay, we can take them down with the plastic, but
Yes,
they are
with
the
the
same.
plastic.
Let's make some space here, because this plastic shell is very big. Hold this.
Okay, so they are different. As you see, the front tweeters compared to the back tweeters.
Okay, nothing else here, just the light connection, and that's it.
Okay, let's put them all on the table and let's see the motherboard and the source board. So, front tweeters, back tweeters, mid-range speakers.
Okay, we take them down.
No, because probably there will be nothing on the back of the motherboard and on the source board.
So just this small radiator.
It has a cooler, but yes. So this is everything that we find in the Sony ULT Tower10. We have the 12.5 inch subwoofer, that it is very light, it is not heavy, the mid-range speaker, the tweeters from the front and from the back. We have here the motherboard, that it is connected to the source board. Here we have the wooden frame, and this is the top. And we see here that on the other side it has the connecting. We will not take this out because we think that we can damage something, because this is built real cheap. It is made by Sony, but it is what can I say? I am not that pleased by the construction. Let's measure the drivers. So this should be 12.5 inch squared. It has 32 centimeters.
39.5.
And the mid-range?
Mid-range is around 8.
Okay. And the tweeters are small.
Very big. Very big. Yes. 5.
So this is all. This is all. Only this. Only this. Of course, lots of plastics here, there in the back, but only this is it cost $900. So I want for you to tell me in the comments if you think that this worth $900, because in my opinion, the JBL Party Box Ultimate, it is built much better. What is your opinion, John?
Yeah, the money doesn't work.
What?
The money doesn't work.
So this is everything. Now we were gonna make a reassemble of the Sony ULT Tower10 and hopefully it will work. But it was not that hard to make the teardown, and of course it is not that hard to repair something on it. You don't have many pieces and the build, it is really cheap. Many of you in the comments tell me that Sony speakers are way better than JBL speakers, but just look at the JBL Party Box Ultimate teardown and then come in the comment section and tell me which one do you think is better and which sounds better, because you see it. Yes, the subwoofer, it is very big, it looks good on the sheets, but in real life, of course I will gonna go with the JBL Party Box Ultimate. That's why I will ask you to become members on AudioTribe YouTube channel. It costs only $2 a month and it will help us a lot. And now let's make the reassemble. And now we started the reassemble, and one thing it is on my mind and I cannot stop thinking about it. How cheap is this speaker build? Of course, I am not a JBL fan, I am not a Sony fan, I am not a LG fan. I only like speakers, and that's why I make this kind of videos, cross comparison, unboxing, and even the teardowns. But I am not pleased about the construction of the Sony ULT Tower10. Tell me in the comments what do you think, because this is everything. This is everything. Probably if this was the first teardown video, our thought it will be that it is a good speaker. But when we already made lots of teardowns with other speakers, of course we can compare with the others one, and we can see that the build quality it is just look at the JBL Party Box Ultimate or at the JBL Party Box 710 on the JBL Party Box 520, and you will see the difference in construction. You will see a very big difference. So till now everything went very good. We are amazed about the quality of the build. I don't want to say that the JBL has the best build quality, but this looks like a cheap speaker, even if it's not cheap. Yes. Let's see if it will work. So we put it all together, and now let's see if it will start. One red is good. It looks good. Now let's see how it will sound. So it works. It was very easy to make the teardown, everything works, but as you saw in the video, the build construction did not impress us at all. Okay, now let's go to the JBL Party Box 720, the Sony ULT Tower9, and the other speakers, the LG, the Samsung, and the everything. Till now, JBL has the best construction. Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button.